SR CounterTrend II is ideal for this type of market that we're in, wide-ranging volatility. In NinjaTrader 8, you see SR CounterTrend II V2 1 minute on the left. Nice short trades, hits profit targets. On the right, SR CounterTrend II, nice short trades, also hitting profit targets. This strategy also works on other markets like the E-mini NASDAQ, crude oil, gold, and we have these strategies on our website. If you lease one, you get the other as well, and you can work on different time frames: 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. You can change the parameters, and I'll show you the parameter setup. So on SR CounterTrend II V2, you see the different parameter setups that you can change. We cancel and replace our entries to the market, and this stop target base price input you can do by strategy or by fill. By default, platforms like NinjaTrader go with the fill, and we prefer to go with the strategy. Instead, we want to base our profit target and stop loss based on where we back tested, which is the strategy fill price, and then take the slippage instead of changing the stop loss and profit target dynamically based on the fill. This changes your strategy expectations because you don't know where you would have been filled in your back test. You just accept the slippage and calculate that in. And so we use by strategy instead of by fill on this strategy. And so here are some of the other input parameters, and this is for SR CounterTrend II V2. I'll show you the SR CounterTrend II next. All right, here are the inputs for SR CounterTrend II. You see similar type of inputs, and you can also select by strategy or by fill on this one. And I had to turn this off so the inputs would highlight or would light up. And so when I enable it, the inputs gray out. And so that's why the trades are not on the chart on the right. But you see the inputs here: stop loss, profit target, break even, and time frames. And you don't have to adjust for Eastern time or Central time. It automatically adjusts. You don't have to change the time-based inputs unless you want to customize it on your end. These use custom sessions, all included in the setup. And that is SR CounterTrend II and SR CounterTrend II V2. Next, I'm going to show you the NQ trades. Here are the results in NQ using the same parameters on SR CounterTrend II 5 minute. Let's look at the historical report, and you see the results here. 44, 135, $70 average trade profit, and here is the equity curve. And so what's interesting on the summary is that you have higher net profit on the short trades, and so nice short trade to. Let me change this one to NQ as well. Here are the results in SR CounterTrend II NQ, and you see another short trades the last couple of days on both of these in NQ as well. So that's the update on how to trade the stock indexes with SR CounterTrend II. And so you can change the parameters on these. You can widen the stop losses as volatility picks up. A larger stop loss, larger profit target could generate bigger average trade profits. That is one of the strategies that we're having success with in this market, and one that we really like.